Why you're still broke. The 1% know this secret. The cold truth is staring you in the face every single morning when you drag yourself out of bed to go to a job you hate. You work harder than your parents ever did, yet you're deeper in debt than they ever were. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed, just not for you. Here's what nobody is telling you. The game of money has secret rules. 1% know these rules. They use these rules every single day to build wealth while you spin your wheels. Today, you're learning these rules. The salary trap is killing you. That steady paycheck you rely on is your biggest enemy. Let me show you exactly why. For every dollar you earn, the government takes 30 cents before you even see it. Your landlord takes another 40 cents just for letting you exist in a box. Bills and expenses steal 20 more cents. What's left? Pennies. Meanwhile, the wealthy structure their income so they pay less than 10% in taxes legally. The education lie. They told you to go to school, get good grades, and find a stable job. That was terrible advice. The average college graduate today carries $35,000 in student debt to earn $50,000 a year. Meanwhile, high school dropouts are building seven-figure businesses on TikTok. Truth? Formal education doesn't create wealth. Solving problems does. How the 1% really build wealth. The wealthy don't work for money. They make money work for them through three powerful strategies. First, other people's time. The rich don't trade hours for dollars. They build systems where other people's labor creates value for them. Jeff Bezos doesn't personally pack your Amazon boxes. Second, other people's money. The wealthy use banks, investors, and creative financing to acquire assets without using their own cash. They buy real estate with the bank's money. They launch businesses with venture capital. Third, scalable systems. The rich create income streams that work while they sleep. Software, royalties, recurring revenue. Your job pays you once for your time. Their systems pay them repeatedly. Your tax system is rigged. Here's the painful truth. If you're paying more than 15% in taxes, you're doing it wrong. The wealthy use legal loopholes like LLCs, trusts, and strategic losses to minimize what they owe. They don't evade taxes. They avoid them through smart structuring. The 30-Day Wealth Challenge, starting today. You're going to take action. Not next month, not someday, today. First, educate yourself. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It will change how you think about money. Second, track every dollar you spend this month. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. Third, start a micro business. Something that can generate even $100 this month. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to start thinking like an owner instead of an employee. Fourth, reinvest every penny you earn into assets that create more income. The hard truth. You've been lied to your entire life about money. Schools don't teach this. Most parents don't know this. The media won't tell you this. But now you know. The question isn't whether this information is true. The question is, what will you do about it? Will you go back to scrolling social media and pretending you didn't hear this? Or will you take one small step today toward real wealth? The 1% aren't better than you. They aren't luckier than you. They just know the rules of the game. Now you know them too. The next move is yours. If this resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more unfiltered truths about money. And most importantly, take action today, not tomorrow, today. Because the only thing standing between you and real wealth is the decision to start. Now you know the truth. The 1% aren't smarter than you. They just play by different rules. And today, you've learned those rules. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is about refusing to die poor while others profit from your time. If this hit home, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with more people stuck in the rat race. Subscribe if you're ready to unlock the full playbook to outsmart the system. Most importantly, take one step today. Open a brokerage account. Read one chapter of Rich Dad Poor Dad. DM me Break Free for my free wealth building checklist. The game is rigged, but now you know how to win. See you in the next video, where we expose exactly how the wealthy legally erase their taxes. Until then, stop being a pawn. Start playing like the 1%.